Yeah, we built this house. It was built in 2001. The shingles were actually, I think, 40-year dimensional shingles, but I would have never left them on anywhere near 40 years because they were just getting so unsightly. It lost any sheen it had. It was very dull, and Roof Maxx, when they treated the roof, that all went away, and the shingles looked like they did, to my memory, the day they went on there. They did retreat the roof. We're 6 years past the first treatment and 1 year past the second one, and this roof's now 21 years old, has seen some horrendous storms unfortunately come through here, and yet my roof still looks like it got put on a few weeks ago versus 21 years ago. The new type of shingles, they don't put the same quality of materials they used to in them, and they begin to dry out. And as I understand, this is some oil-based product that revitalizes the ingredients of the shingle itself. Roof replacement's messy. You get debris in the yard, sometimes things fall off the roof and damage plants, decks underneath, and accidents like that happen. This was none of that. This was one or two guys up on the roof for part of a day. No mess, other than the fact the roof looked a lot better. You wouldn't even know anybody was here. The reason that I decided to rejuvenate it versus replace is, frankly, it was a fraction of the cost and much more efficient to get it done this way. Anybody that asked me, I would tell them I think it's worth it. We're 6, 7 years farther into the life of this roof than I would have allowed it to go, and it looks to be like it's got a lot of life left in it. I'm very pleased that I'm hopefully not going to be replacing the roof anytime soon.